Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This EXO coming at you here, just hanging out in the garage. We got one of our dog friends just walking around the place right now. We got 2 pit bulls and a German Shepherd in the house. I wasn't able to make it to the sundown show because of it, but I'd rather make some extra cash. Gotta save up that cash in order to do all these car audio videos. Oh my God, he almost just tripped on my lighting cord. Be careful there, buddy. So today, in this video, I want to just come at you guys one-on-one on the second channel and just kind of, I don't know, rant a little bit and maybe share with you guys some tricks and tips of how I personally save money. But I gotta say, I got something right here that I hope it doesn't cost me money because it hurts so bad. Like a month ago, I was shaving and I cut the corner of my mouth right here. And ever since then, it won't heal. Every time I open my mouth for a hamburger or talk really loudly like it rips open the scab that was just freshly formed like the night before. Neosporin won't help, it hurts so freaking bad. Do you guys have any tips? I gotta think of some sort of remedy. I'm not going to the damn hospital spending money on stupid stuff. It's just like a little paper cut, but God, it's like affecting my life. It's ridiculous. So let's go ahead and move on and share with you guys some of the things that I do personally to save money, to save up for car audio stuff. Now, a lot of this stuff, you gotta like, you know, give and take some, because I'm very, very unique in the sense that, well, you'll see here that maybe some of these won't work for you. So let's go ahead and check some out. All right, first on the list is not buying new clothes. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge fan of just going to Goodwill, Salvation Army, or even, get this, recycle centers, or in other words, dumps. My father has scored so many Nikes, friggin' polos, awesome clothes for me at the damn recycle center. And I'm like, hell yeah, I'm never too good to get that. Plus Goodwill and Salvation Army, I never buy new clothes. Like, the only thing I ever buy new are $80 pairs of shoes, and I kind of go a little expensive on my shoes because I like Nikes, especially high tops. So I'll splurge a little bit on footwear, but besides that, shirts, I basically get freaking for free at car audio shows. They'll like throw out free shirts and I get as many as I can. So not buying too many new clothes. Next up, kind of going along with the clothes thing, I have so many clothes that I only have to do laundry like 4 or 5 times a year. I'm not even joking. I can go like 2 or 3 months without doing laundry, and I still have plenty of socks, plenty of shirts. Granted, I do have an area in my closet and my bedroom that kind of accumulates a huge pile of clothes in the meantime, but then after that, I do like maybe 3 loads of laundry and I'm good to freaking go. And so I save as much electricity on that as possible by reusing pants like 4 times. I'll wear the same pair of denim jeans several times before I consider them dirty. Same thing with shirts. If it smells good, I'll continue to wear it. And then kind of going along with the same thing, another way I save money is recycling, reusing old stuff. I barely throw anything away. My grandfather's tools have been passed down to me. My father's tools have been passed down to me. Little supplies here and there. I'll make sure I always clean things off after I'm done using them if I can get an extra use out of it. When I get something in my life, I want it to last a lifetime. I'm not like these young bucks who go out there, buy something, 2 days later it breaks and goes and buys another one. I have the same tape measures for like 45 years. I have my grandfather's tape measures. I have my grandfather's all kinds of cool tools. Recycle old stuff. If something breaks like a gadget inside your house, I try to fix it. I don't go out and buy new stuff. I always try to recycle the old stuff first. That can go a long way. Recycle. And another thing of kind of recycling, well, not really recycling, is I change all my own oil in every car and do a lot of the own repairs to the cars. That can save thousands of dollars, not like the oil change, but auto repairs can get so expensive so damn quickly. So I go ahead and do that all myself as best I can. Brakes, pads, calipers, oil changes, electrical, everything electrical. I'm pretty savvy with that, and I can handle it. So that saves me a good chunk of change there. And the next thing, which I think will help everybody, this is my biggest tip. I have helped save myself so much money by not going out to eat so much. And I have to say I've been a little bit more guilty as of late, going out here and there because of Rover, the dog sitting, I'm making a couple extra bucks. But I try to limit the going out to eat very much. And if it is going out to eat, I'm not spending $35 on a steak and mashed potato meal. I'm doing frugal choices, chicken. The most I like to spend on a meal is like $15 most, and I'm usually going out to like something way cheaper. And Elise is pretty great, and she's been really understanding of just like, going out and getting something, affordable to eat. You don't have to go out and spend, when 2 people are involved, 50 bucks. If you're going out, you're spending 50 bucks if 2 people are involved or more. And when you're out, here's another huge tip: get water. Don't order soda drinks. Soda drinks are like $3 a pop, and you get more and more, and it makes you more thirsty. So if you do go out, don't get soda drinks. If you go out to the baseball games, try to stay away from the soda. I do not get flavorful, sugar-filled drinks often. I'm not saying I'm freaking, plain Jane over here. I've never had it before, but I try to limit myself. And then next is a huge, also kind of considered a date night. Don't go to the cinema every damn week. If you're going out to the movies every week, buying a snack, that's easily an extra 30, 40, 50 bucks right there. On top of going out to eat, maybe that's $100 a weekend that you could save. 400 bucks a month just by limiting your entertainment to maybe something at home, Netflix, shit like that. There's plenty of entertaining stuff at home to do. And speaking of Netflix, I do not subscribe to cable television. DirecTV, Prime Star, or is that even a thing anymore? Whatever. Yeah, I do not subscribe to Prime Star television or anything like that, cable TV. The only thing I have is cable internet, and that provides all my entertainment with Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu. So there's some of the ways that I save money, and some of the ways that I help make money is dog sitting. Not only does it make my days go by so much better, happier, and just a great energy. You make freaking like 45 bucks a night depending on the dog, if it's a puppy. There's all these sorts of conditions. I'm on an app called Rover, so it's really freaking easy. So I'm making extra money there. And yeah, so that's like become my full-time job. So try to find like a side hustle, try to make as much cash as you can. And this car audio stuff can definitely be within grasp of you too. And I think like a year ago, I made a video similar to this, just saying, that, buying car audio is very expensive, it becomes a lifestyle, and I kind of just touched base on it on our main channel, EXOcontralto, which is growing so much. It is great, guys. There's like over 100,000 more people over there now than the second channel, but as you go, I'm trying to come back on the second channel, do more weekly stuff here on here. EXO, a big deal, and I've almost been so tempted, I'm gonna run it by you guys, so damn tempted to change the name of this channel. EXO, a big deal. If you don't know the story, I almost made it on a TV show, Deal or No Deal. I made this channel because of it. It ended up falling through because I cussed in the interview. So like, oh, this kid's a liability on TV. I didn't get to go on TV, but I kept the YouTube channel. EXO, a big deal. And it's turned into like car audio crap, just like everything else has in my life. So, what do you think should be? EXOcontralto 2, EXO 2, EXO, a big deal? Just leave it, who knows? It's kind of confusing for some people, I don't know. But, alright, this video is going on, rambling. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I do suggest you do so. We have got some awesome stuff in store with B&C speakers, Parts Express, the home audio setup, the car audio setup, Frankenstein, 252 customs, just a bunch of stuff, and some Bluetooth speakers I have in mind to do some cool little bookshelf Bluetooth speakers for upstairs on my desk. And yeah, thanks for watching the little PewDiePie Gone Wrong video on, yesterday or the day before yesterday. Again, just trying to, expand myself, got a desk, and it didn't work out, so if you want to check that out, it'll be in the link below. Alright guys, until the next video, this is EXO, signing out. I have got some stuff to do with Elise today. Well, I don't quite know what that is, but I want to do something. Any suggestions? Give me some suggestions down below, and maybe I'll do a little vloggity-poo of it. Oh, I think she's up, guys. That's my cue. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. EXO signing out.